anyways, we kind of want to show now. We want to show when it's all done. So anyways, we wanted to get out, and because we don't want to breathe the fume as any longer, because we've been painting for about 2 days, and I've been headache for 2 days. We had the door open, we had all the windows open, because we've been having such a gorgeous weather. I'm so glad, because the painting and the weather kind of somehow, thank God, it lined up. We really didn't mean to, but it happened to happen both together. So I'm so glad. I'm so thankful for God that this happened at the same time the weather is warming up, and we can open the windows, we can open the doors, but still, I still have the headache because we're still breathing in the fume, and we just wanted to get out of the paint environment. So it might not change that much, but at least it's not wet paint smell. It'll dry up when we go home. Also, I wanted to show you guys outside. It's kind of raining now, but we have lost so much snow. Austin's having fun. So yeah, there's barely any snow out on the highways and stuff, but there are some snow at our house in the backyard, but not as much. There's so much snow melted this weekend because it was so warm. And anyways, so we're just gonna go find something to do, have some fun.
Alright guys, so wouldn't you know, as soon as we get on the highway and get going, it starts pouring. So it's been on and off pouring the whole time we were down here. So hopefully that we get home and we don't have a bunch of puddles in our house, because we're trying to air the place out.
So we didn't realize it's a school vacation, and this mall is filled with people everywhere. Austin is having so much fun to see all these kids running around playing, and of course that's what he wants to do, which is fine with us. We are gonna have him come out of the stroller and just, you know, walk around and have fun. And normally when we come, seriously, our mall is not this busy, but because of the school vacation, it is packed. People everywhere. So
Hey, you want to get out of here? Are you gonna be good if I let you out? Are you gonna take off on us and run away? Are you gonna leave with other parents? You better not.
there's so many people here. You might get confused.
I know.
You gotta be careful, okay? Make sure you stay with us. Don't run away. Somebody might take you. Yeah.
Just give me 1 second.
Chris and Austin are busy playing this memory game on this.
Yeah, we
Good job! Yay! Hey! I see a little Batman, big Batman. Hi, little Batman.
Shoot it. Shoot it.
I thought Batman doesn't get tired. What happened? What are you doing? Are you taking a little rest? Nope. Off he goes again. There he goes. He's really running Chris around. Chris is chasing after him, and he's just running everywhere.
Ready? Alright, Batman. Yeah, Batman and Robin right here. Peace out, lights and music. Dance. Look, look.
Yeah, he's saying goodbye. Too many girls.
Alright guys, we really love our electronics, and so when we come to Best Buy, we always gotta look around for some reason, even if we're not gonna buy anything. At least I like to. My thing is the super ultra high def TVs. Always like looking at those. And Nima's thing, that number one on her list, she likes these. She really wants one of these iRobot vacuums. They're pretty neat, but if you look, I don't know, $900. Sweeping's so easy. It's like the easiest chore in the world. I don't know.
I'll pay $1,000.
Alright,
I think that's worth it for me.
Alright, let's see it. Where's the money? I don't know. 1,000? Watch, you just, right here, you turn it on and then this is where the air comes. It's very shocking. This is a hair dryer. Put it out your face.
Oh, wow.
It's like intense, ain't it?
Blow me away.
Alright, here's another thing on my list. A laptop. We always had IBM and stuff, but I'd really like to try a Mac. You know, because you don't worry about the viruses and everything else, and they're just they seem like they last a long time. Whenever I have like a PC or something, it's always like clouded up. Even if you get the software and everything else, something always slows it down after like 3-4 months, it seems like, and it just doesn't seem like the same computer anymore. So I think the next purchase where you do is going to be on a Mac. Hey guys, today we picked up something that Austin has been dying to play with. Hold on, bud, hold on. It's called Gross Glow Slime. No, you gotta wait. Okay? He dragged me over here, he pulled the chair up, he got the table ready, he got his little tray out, and he just wants to tear right into it.
You need help? I'll help you.
I have a feeling he's not gonna like the way it feels though. I think it's like really like gross.
You want help?
Alright, open it up. Go ahead, dump it out. Oh!
What is it?
Is it gross? Touch it. Ew, icky. Pick it up, Austin. You like it? Wow, look at you.
Ready? Ew, 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 icky. Ew. Icky. Ew.
He's like amazed by this stuff. Oh! Is this the stuff that you push it down and it farts too? Oh!
Austin!
Oh! Ready?
Did you go pee?
Push it down. Oh! Oh!
Did you go pee? Did you go pee? Did you fart? Me?
Yeah, you did. Ew.
Alright guys, so we are home now. Austin played with his slime. It was fun. He's still holding on to it. He does not want to stop playing. But we're going to say goodnight now.
So good night, everybody. We want to thank you guys so much for watching and joining us today. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't done that yet, and we will see you tomorrow.
Yeah, join our family. Say namaste. Yes.
And goodbye. Where's your slime? Whoa.